Being part of such a significant refurbishment is a great privilege for everyone at Nova Construction. We've worked with Truro Cathedral for a number of years and on a range of really great, diverse projects, but the Cathedral School is a really special building. We specialise in the construction and refurbishment of exceptional properties in Cornwall. We understand our clients' needs and how to deliver unparalleled results. Zinsser share this understanding and have created a great range of products which are in line with our commitment to delivering quality and excellence.
On this project we're using Zinsser Grade 1 on the ceilings and the walls, and we're using old coat exterior on all the woodwork and the doors. Grade 1 gives all the benefits of a modern coating. It's washable, it's a completely flat mat, and yet it has the look of a very traditional chalk-based paint, as would be fitting to a building of this type, but they have all the benefits of a modern coating.
During its lifetime, the building has experienced a number of uses, from being used as an evacuee centre during the Blitz, to up until recently corporate office space for the local authorities. But we feel it's the next chapter of the building's life which is actually going to be the most interesting. Considering the historical elements of the building which we've managed to unlock and preserve, and also the modern conveniences which we're installing, by opening up the building as a communal space, the local people and the people in the surrounding area are going to be able to engage with the building and really appreciate its historical charm.